Mom, you're using that camera.
Go back here.
You a wax monster.
Come on. Stand up. Good job. Okay, stand her back up. Try walk over here again. Come here, Alexandria.
There's the box.
Look at the box. The box. Oh my gosh.
Get the box. Go get the box.
Ooh.
Mom, you got the box on her head.
She's like, no, I just want to sit here.
Turn, brain.
Come on.
Okay, go get her.
Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. You're doing so good. Look at you. You're walking so far. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at you. You just walked the entire way over here. Good job. Good job. Wow, that's so crazy. You walked so far.